how to change Envision monitor image ratio. And okay guys, here in your Envision monitor on the back, you can see here the joystick. And you can push to the right to see the Envision settings here. And okay, push down and select the image setup. And push again to the right to select the image ratio. And the image ratio is set into wide. So okay, push again to the right and you can see the option. So you can set the image ratio into wide or you can set into 4:3. So for example, I set into 4:3. Push the joystick down and select the 4:3. So okay, to select, push again to the right, the joystick to select the 4:3. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the Envision monitor image ratio. So if you want to back to wide again, okay, you'll have to do is go to again to your back of your monitor and push to the right. Here in settings, you can see here the image setup, okay, and image ratio, and you can select again the wide. Okay, that's it. You have successfully changed Envision monitor image ratio. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.